Scientists at VTT have developed a method to produce animal-free mycelium leather at the amazing speed of 1 meter per minute. Developing new environmentally friendly materials for the fashion industry is a major global challenge. The industry is responsible for almost 10% of global carbon emissions. That's more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. And a major culprit within the fashion industry is leather production, with a carbon footprint estimated to be 130 million tons annually. That is equivalent to the CO2 emissions of 3 million passenger vehicles. Researchers at VTT believe biotechnology can solve the problem. This new material can be produced in a bioreactor, after which it can be cast into sheets with continuous feed. Finally, the sheets are dried to a leather-like material.
So we grow fungal mycelium and use it to make leather-like fabrics to replace animal leather.
When we look at the fashion industry and the leather industry, it belongs to a really complex supply chain. So I think by looking at these new forms of alternative materials to leather, like those produced with fungi, I think it can really change the industry.
All filamentous fungi have mycelium, also referred to as the root structure of the mushroom. This is what scientists engineer to produce the material.
We control the conditions so that we only get the mycelium. We don't need the mushroom.
Using synthetic biology allows the scientists to design the material from the cellular level, enabling them to achieve the desired properties.
We can start to bioengineer mycelium and play with the strength, tear resistance, abrasion resistance, try to bring in new functionality into the material by bioengineering methods.
In addition to enhanced properties, the new material can be produced utilizing waste.
We can control and make the mycelium grow from, let's say, organic waste, for example, and because we don't need fields, we can grow it in the lab conditions. We save surface land area. We don't produce so much carbon dioxide as with the cows, for example, and the end product is biodegradable.
The new leather project brings together designers and scientists to tackle the challenges of conventional leather production.
And I think as designers, we understand like the end consumer and their needs. So then we can then bridge this gap to create products that actually are needed by the consumers and at the same time are responsible to the environment.
The research team is now focusing on introducing this new material as an economically competitive substitute for animal-derived leather. The demand for sustainable materials is growing rapidly, and projects like this may well succeed in changing the future of the fashion industry.